So this is the clip for exercise 3a. What is the slope of the tangent of this function here at this point? And in order to do this, we need to determine first the derivative. So, So we have here f of x is the square root of x, and in order to determine the derivative, I always find it nice to represent it as x to the power of 1/2. Why? Because then we can just apply this rule where when we take the derivative, this comes in front as a factor times x to the power of the old exponent minus 1, and this is just 1/2 times x to the power of minus 1/2, and this is just 1/2 times 1 to the square root of x, 1 divided by square root of x. Okay, so what we have to do is just to insert this point. So at the point x is equal to 4, we will get that f dash at x is equal to 4 is 1/2 times 1 divided by square root of 4. This is 1/2 times 1/2, and this is 1/4. So this is not asked by the exercise, but if we draw this, this looks a little bit like this. So this is the square root function, and at the point 1/4, we are about here. So in this slope here, more or less is what we computed. So 4 steps to the right and 1 step up is then the slope of the tangent.